things na pinag-aralan at ininsayo nitong Emeralds. Well, lahat naman siguro ng teams. As Guimarangan hits that rainbow shot.
Pick up yung pace ng ating ball game. We would see a lot more transition baskets.
As we take a look at the Apex 88, Apex Gaming 88 move of the game, that was the surprise triple mula dito kay Guimarangan. Para dito si Junior Husker, so atake ulit dito sa kabila. Guimarangan with a layup.
Talagang ang maganda sa kanya kasi hindi siya nag-aantay ng bola. He works hard for his points, kaya naman mahirap talagang pigilan. And speaking of someone na hirap pigilan ngayong araw na to, itong si Guimarangan has been scoring at will dito sa ating ball game.
He now has 13 to pace both teams. Sabi naman nitong Quezon Junior Huskers, sige, bigyan namin kayo ng pangalawang opportunity para baguhin yung score. As itong si Guimarangan gets that floater to go, extending their lead to 6.
He now has 15 points, 2 rebounds, and an assist. Playing a spectacular ball game itong si Guimarangan so far.
As we take a look at some of the older players sa upper division siguro to ng Quezon Junior Huskers, having fun. Kasi nga, nakuha na ng kanilang nakababatang mga kapatid itong lamang at 49-43 currently.
But itong si Guimarangan still trying to fight and regain the lead para sa kanyang kupunan. But he needs a lot of help, especially from the guys like Franzman, itong si Aquino.
Oo, and it looks like si Guimarangan has been the only one to score para dito sa Emeralds. Dito sa second half, mostly siya lang talaga. Emeralds. As itong si, I think that's, sino nga ito? Si Aquino picked up that rebound and Guimarangan goes all the way. Ayan, sobrang natuwa ang mga fans nitong Muntinlupa. Babasa 2 minutes to go. Guimarangan driving, drops it off to Aquino for the basket.
And once again, Guimarangan playing decoy, finding Aquino underneath. Yan ang value ng isang smart basketball player on your team.
Muntinlupa as may itatawag na foul doon, and that is not good para sa Quezon Junior Huskers because that means pupunta na naman sa free throw line itong si Ryle Guimarangan.
But so far, ito nga, Muntinlupa, 63% from the free throw line. And they continue to be impressive in that department.
63%, 15 makes. Halos na doble na nila yung conversions nitong Quezon Junior Huskers. At yun na nga, na-doble na nila. Aquino grabbing a hold of that rebound and not letting go. Here again is Guimarangan all the way. Yes!
And Guimarangan giving himself an end-one opportunity courtesy of this left-handed layup against 2 white shirts and a chance for him to put his team back on the driver's seat.
And that, of course, is a power move brought to you by Pound for Pound Fitness, the official fitness partner of the Junior MPBL.
And if you're someone who's dreaming to have a highlight like that, kailangan dalasan mo talaga ang dalaw dyan sa Pound for Pound Fitness dahil kakailanganin ng malakas na katawan para magawa mo yan.
Ayan, and lamang na ng isa. Let's take a look at the Apex Gaming 88 move of the game. It was that move earlier nung third quarter. Mula dito kay Guimarangan.
And what a ball game we just witnessed. Both these teams really showing us what they are made of.
Oo.
Dahil nga itong sila Guimarangan, Aquino, and Franzman really had the bigger heart for today.
Ayan. At unang laban pa lang yan dito sa